Yo. So, today I wrote a poem about this lake. It's so murky. And my first thought was, is this lake dirty? And then I thought, it might be dirty to me, but it might just be untouched. Grant you, I'm not sure if this is a natural made lake or a reservoir that just doesn't have any outlet, but it is pretty in its own way, right? All those greens and blacks swirling around. This is to you, lake. Well, I named it Murky Pond. Murky Pond. Green, black, and yellow. Are you clean? I see life thrive around you. Even underneath? Colors merge as the sun glimmers. Ducks across yonder. One of nature's swimmers. Your water does not seem fresh. Are you upset? Or are you untouched? Nature's blessed. No thing. Ooh, I've got a word. Dispel. Verb. Make a doubt, feeling, or belief disappear. Dispel. Verb. Make a doubt, feeling, or belief disappear. Every day I find myself dispelling thoughts, beliefs, or feelings that I once had, or that I learned, or that, you just acquire these things over time sometimes, whether you're hearing other people talk about them or things you experience that might make you jaded. But just like in Naruto, when you hit the kite, dispel the genjutsu. You got to dispel the limiting beliefs, because I want to bring value to everyone I encounter. I want to be able to support myself, my family, beyond our wildest dreams. And I feel like the path there is a dispel things that aren't serving you. I'm very critical with my analysis, but I try to be playful because, gotta have fun, but gotta always dispel these things that aren't serving, certain beliefs, certain thoughts. So that's a cool word. Yeah. So I'll tap in with you a little later. We're going to continue on our walk.